Hey everyone, the Gmktec M6 Ultra has officially entered the Chinese market as one of the most compact yet powerful mini PCs currently available. Designed to deliver strong performance in a very small form factor, it measures just 128.8 by 127 by 47.8 millimeters, making it an appealing choice for users who want desktop-grade computing power without the bulk of a traditional tower. It launched with aggressive pricing, starting at $210 for the barebones version, with pre-configured models offering 16 gigs RAM and a 512 gigs SSD at $280. At the heart of the system lies the AMD Ryzen 57640HS, a processor based on the Zen 4 architecture and manufactured with TSMC's advanced 4nm process. This CPU brings 6 cores, 12 threads, along with 22 megabytes of cache. It operates with a 50-watt adjustable TDP, striking a balance between efficient power consumption and stable high-performance output. This makes the M6 Ultra more than capable of handling multitasking workloads, productivity tasks, and even gaming. On the graphics side, the integrated AMD Radeon 760M GPU built on RDNA 3 technology plays a central role in making this mini PC suitable for gaming as well. With 8 GPU cores, Gmktec claims it performs close to the NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti. Benchmarks provided by the company give weight to this claim, with Cyberpunk 2077 running between 47 and 63 frames per second at low settings, Genshin Impact reaching between 54 and 68 FPS, Forza Horizon 5 hitting 65 to 96 frames per second on medium settings, and The Witcher 3 averaging around 40 to 68 frames per second. These results position the M6 Ultra as a capable option for mainstream gaming, particularly at 1080p, even without a dedicated graphics card. Memory and storage expandability are another highlight of this system. The M6 Ultra supports up to 128 gigs of DDR5 RAM via 2 SO-DIMM slots. Storage can also be expanded thanks to dual M.2 PCIe 3.0 x 4 SSD slots, each supporting drives up to 8 terabytes. Gmktec has implemented a tool-free quick-release system, making upgrades significantly easier for users who want to expand memory or swap storage without hassle. Cooling is handled through a dual-fan design, with one fan dedicated to the CPU and the other providing airflow to the RAM and SSDs. This approach improves thermal stability and helps maintain quieter operation during extended use. Given the compact size of the chassis, the dual-fan setup ensures that heat management does not become a limiting factor for performance. Connectivity is another strong point for the M6 Ultra. It supports modern wireless standards such as Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6E, and for wired networking, it offers two 2.5G Ethernet ports for high-speed connections. On top of that, the inclusion of a USB 4.0 port with 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, 100-watt PD input, and support for an external GPU dock adds a great deal of flexibility. Additional ports include HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 3.2 Gen 2, USB 2.0, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The system can drive up to 3 displays simultaneously with resolutions up to 8K, further extending its usability for both productivity and entertainment setups. Overall, the Gmktec M6 Ultra positions itself as a compact powerhouse, bringing together AMD's latest mobile processor technology, efficient RDNA 3 graphics, and versatile expansion options. Its combination of strong performance, gaming capability, and connectivity makes it stand out in the mini PC segment, while its competitive price point makes it an attractive alternative to bulkier desktop systems. For users who value space efficiency without compromising on computing power, the M6 Ultra is one of the most compelling options currently on the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.